These are things that you didn't know about Cook Boogers. First, you can fly over to secret areas. First, go get an NPC and fly over here. And then fly. Let's take this McDonald's employee.
Let me grab you, bro. Get back here now.
Don't do that.
I'm gonna grab you by the neck, strangle you until you turn purple, then chop you up into little bits of meat, and then turn you into a burger, and then make your mom eat the burger.
Please drop me.
I'm gonna rip you in 1,000 pieces and then hide your body in the ocean.
Alright, and then there's 2 different areas that I guess are for changing your outfit, and then I think the lobby. And then over here is another secret area. So yeah. Moving on to secret number 3. Anyway, secret number 3 is this secret house. I think people already know, but yeah. Anyways guys, see ya later.